What is Zero Trust? Zero Trust is a cybersecurity model that assumes no user or device is trusted by default, regardless of location. It is important because of evolving threats and demands for remote work. The core principle of Zero Trust is never trust, always verify. Key principles of Zero Trust: 1. Verify explicitly, authenticate and authorize every request. 2. Least privilege access, limit user permissions to the minimum required. 3. Assume breach, always operate as if the network has been compromised. Components of Zero Trust Architecture ZTA. 1. Identity and Access Management IAM. 2. Endpoint Security. 3. Network Segmentation. 4. Continuous Monitoring. The benefits of Zero Trust include improved security posture, reduced attack surface, enhanced compliance, for example, GDPR, CCA, and facilitation of remote work. Zero Trust Technologies. Identity Solutions uses multi-factor authentication MFA. SSO Network Security uses micro-segmentation. Secure Access Service Edge SASE. Data Security uses encryption. Data Loss Prevention DLP Monitoring Tools are SIEM, WEBA. Challenges in adopting Zero Trust include legacy systems and integration, high initial cost, cultural and operational resistance, and need for skilled personnel. Closing thought: in Zero Trust, security is a continuous journey, not a one-time project.